Me enjoy me who say I'm not yet man and last year first year. Man and now she's very beautiful. As I mean I'm like not like so we are going to where the food is. Hello. Good afternoon.
So, watch jollof, chicken.
Our day.
Hey. I'm a jack of Conam. I
Tima Kumkum special, yes. My birthday. This is how I'm celebrating my birthday with Nkwantapong. I feel fine. Yes, you agree? My birthday is actually on Sunday, but and then we can say I'm crying. You know, Mama share chicken cry. My so fine. Yeah, we couldn't have cooked from Accra. So I discuss on power. Now,
not be difficult like this.
It's difficult because for now, no more. And Kayan trap, baby, say, Pacific Yaman, they ain't trap. Nana Musi Betra, Tio Cochia, Momu, the Dini, Camion Betra cake, me and answer. And I will show me when I ride on the back of so and son of me to be sorry. And you're crying it. It's very, very bad. So bad.
Oh my God. I'm tired.
Wait.
Look at my shoe. What I
Nana, thank you. I'm happy to be here. We were using moto to climb. We climb a bit, we stop, we walk. It's been a journey, but I'm glad. My team are amazing. They've been a pillar. People even felt they didn't give up. They still came. We climbed up to Nkwantapong, and then we're here to meet the chiefs of the town. This is in anticipation to my 36th birthday on Sunday the 17th of September. And today on the 12th, Nkwantapong is on vacation. They are going on vacation. So we chose today because on Sunday we cannot come and meet the children. Akusi Abayao, thank you so much that when we reached out to you, you didn't hesitate. So everybody at Nkwantapong, we are here to meet. And this is my team, my amazing team. A very big thank you to each and every one of them. My amazing husband has been a backbone from the beginning, from the scratch of this project until now. Everybody that joined me, Charlie, you do all. Thank you. I need a team, a solid team like that to accomplish what I need in this life. Sometimes you need to go out of your comfort zone to see what people are actually going through. This is the first time I'm coming to a very deprived area like this, and I'm so saddened. But I know that when we are done, something fruitful will come out of this. So thank you, and stay tuned. I'll bring you more updates. Yeah, thank you.
Facebook. And my name is discussing say the baby no yentu e kwan na yeso yembedi na woda no aha. And you share your page no so no. Sisi am no ka say you obi also obabisi toilet facilities ama enkola no e wo school ho no.
Wow. Enyang mama.
And to catch a cozy about say, all my mace, no my estimate, because we ban our bed of you sitting in a manamani na any wash and basins nina.
Wow.
So far, Niya and it is honum, but foundation our cars of Mubahanum, contacting so Mubahanum. No person CBB, and yes, so almost yes, so I hold there and see with me that I take chain. Yes, you're being na Bibia Akosa mom na school. At least almost 3 years, your brother is missing that tray. They just say, who say, great, so far, Tima, the boss office. I see a very story about Mokwine, number 1. School, no, any name. What's the third one? Any more hospital now, more can have them. And the very story about Yamami and Sawi. The bomb pie say, you been up for on bed tie chair, you between my bed one. I was up by I'm showing you now.
The whole day,